Okay guys, I've got two. When I bought my truck, it has this new bed liner in it, and there's no holes in it, so it fills up with water. So I'm gonna drill some holes in it. Gotta get rid of some of Mother Nature that's in here. And I'm parked up under these trees. I have to back out of this driveway. I went off the side over there. The water's just destroying it. There's a creek right here that goes up that way into the woods. And there's a culvert underneath the driveway and goes in this little stream that they made. Well, they didn't make it, the previous owners did. Right there is a huge, used to be a pond to the right of that on my neighbor's property. And some of it was my friend Dee's. But the neighbors, when they bought the property, filled the whole pond in. So when it rains, there's a waterfall right there. A case of drill bits somewhere here. Is this it? Let's see. Oops. I'm losing everything. Yeah, what do I need here? What do I need? Oh, crap. I'll try this one. Don't go anywhere. Oh, now I gotta move my bucket of tools. Hold on. Trying to stay straight. Oops. There we go. That should do it. Can't get over there by the kayak. Hopefully that works. Now I've got to fix this here. Opening the gate with the kayak right here. It pulls on this. So I made the hole bigger. So I found this washer on the ground. And I put it on there and then screw the screw back in. And of course I need a star bit. Of course I do. After I put this box away. Come on, open. What do we got in here? Do I have one? Let's see. Maybe if I put this on a flat surface somewhere. Over here to the rock. What do we got here? Try this one. Why do they make these so hard to get out? Let's try that one. What about here? Might be that kind. I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I was on the phone with my friend Artie earlier. And I'm standing out here because it's 74 degrees out. It's beautiful. And look what I discovered. Right here. Here. Someone backed into me. So now I need a new taillight. It's like, damn it. Okay, it's the bigger one. I don't know why everything just can't be universal, right? Alright, I need two hands. Okay, so it has, you can't see much, not in the shade, right here in the sun. It has a little washer and one that went behind it. It's not very bright out here either. So I'm going to put this one, I'm going to put all three on in the front. And hopefully there's enough room to go through that and still get into the tailgate. Oh, and this one's out too. Yeah, I laid the tailgate down. It's a little easier. we go. Maybe let's pull this one out. Oh, need 2 hands for that too. There we go. That one's gonna work. Good. Let's check the other ones. Oh, the black one is in the front. Oh, it only went through because the hole got bigger. Duh. That one's good. This one's good. And that one's good. Alrighty then. Oops. Sorry guys, didn't mean to get you dizzy. So guys, it's another nice day today, so I thought I would install my shore power. Oops. Plug. You just need a hole saw the size of that. This comes with the screws, and I have some butyl tape I'm going to put around the outside here before I put my screws in. And that's about it. It's so scary though, cutting a hole in your rig. Hold on, let me grab some glasses. And maybe another battery. Yeah, let me get another battery. I know I should have charged it. Okay guys, I finally got this giant, where are you, chunk of wood out, along with this one and my insulation. I had to use another drill bit. I had to use the screwdriver to make a hole, and then I had to use a paddle bit from the inside. Once I got a hole through there and popped through the other side of the wall, then I could drill. I drilled through that side. Yeah, we got that done. All right, so now we are going to put some butyl tape. You always want to seal your holes on your rigs. This is butyl tape. It's like clay. Let me back you up some here. It's like clay. It comes in a big roll. It's very malleable. I'm going to have to work this and get it soft. But you take this and you put it around right here. And it creates a water seal. Don't use silicone. Don't ever use silicone on your rig. Silicone is not waterproof. Well, it's waterproof, but it shrinks over time from the elements, and then it's not waterproof anymore, and you will eventually have leaks. So let me get that going. So you shove this in here like that. Make sure your cover goes down, not up, because you don't want water in there. And it fits. Thank God. And guess what? My luck, right? I thought it was up high enough here. I was going to put it a little higher. I'm like, no, I'll bring it down. So it cut into my baseboard about that much. Yeah, leave it to me. My luck. Well, I'm finally done. It's my new shore plug. I used a wipe to wipe up something, and I just went crazy with the wipe. That's why it's all messy. But there we go. All right, let me clean up my mess down here. Yeah, that was a bit much. It's like 70 degrees out again. I have my back door opened. And the picture following this little clip was Gideon yesterday, just laying on his windowsill over here on the pillows, just looking outside. He just was like, I cannot wait to get a window put in right here. Yeah, I was enjoying looking out the window, laying in bed. Owen was enjoying it. Elliot was looking up. I don't know what he was seeing, but it's just a little bit too high for him. There they are. That's Owen on the left, Elliot in the middle. If you're new here, this is my 16-year-old rat terrier. Violet will be 15 on Valentine's Day. And this is Owen. He's going to be 2 on Saturday, which I just remembered that today. And then I have my cat. Here he comes. Come on. Come on, buddy. He'll be right after this clip. Today is Owen's 2nd birthday. He's whining behind me. Settle. Thought I'd take him to the park. I'm at Fisherman's Park in Graham, Texas. It's a pretty place. No bark. You listen well. Shh. The geese aren't happy that I just let Owen out. Thought I'd have a cup of tea. My daughter bought me this for Christmas. Comes with a little bamboo mat. Got some chocolate chai. Isn't this pretty? Oh, and I would sit here. Oops. Don't fall away. And have a cup of tea with you guys. In this little teapot. These pretty little teacups. Yesterday was like 74 degrees. Today it's 64 right now. And it's cloudy. It's supposed to rain today. I'm not happy about it. Oh, a little overflowed there. We'll let that steep. And I brought lunch. Some pickles. Oops. Some hummus and crackers. Alright, I'm going to let my tea steep a minute. Oh, that's so good on a chilly day. Owen's being really good. He only barked a couple times.